The scripture readings of today invite us or call each one of us to be witnesses of His presence. We are called to be His witnesses in the world that we live in. We are called to be His witnesses to one another in our own homes, the place where we work, as children in the school, or maybe on the playground, or even when we are traveling in the bus or any mean of transport that we use. And so we are called to be the witnesses of Christ's presence to one another. And how do we do that? In the gospel passage, Jesus said, "Love one another as I have loved you." And so we be Christ's witnesses to one another through our love. And our love needs to be shown in our actions, not just in words. As Jesus himself, he preached the good news, but he also showed it in his action. And so when we talk about love, it entails two aspects. One is there's service and there's also sacrifice. Service, as we know, Jesus took the bowl, bent down and washed the feet of the disciples, showed them that this is a call of service. And so each one of us as his disciples are called to be persons who serve one another. And also the other is sacrifice. As we see, Jesus stretches out his hand on the cross and he laid down his life, a sacrifice. But if you look at from the start itself, in John's Gospel, the chapter 3, verse 16 and following, reminds us that God so loved the world that he gave his only Son. And so Jesus was willing to let go of being with his Father, coming down on the earth and becoming one like us. And becoming one like us shows us what it means to serve.